Assalamu alaikum dear students. Okay, in this video you are going to learn that how we are going to solve prefix problems, okay, and unit conversions as well. Chapter 2, problem number 2.3. Okay, you can see here it is asked that the radius of hydrogen atom is 0.53 exponent minus 10 meters. Convert it in centimeters, millimeters and nanometers. Okay, now for that purpose you must learn the prefix table. Okay, you must learn the prefix table for these prefix conversions. First of all, as I have already told you, that keep that in your mind. For converting any kind of length, your data must be in meters. For converting any type of mass, you must have the value in grams, and for any time you must have the value in seconds. Okay, so right here we have length of hydrogen atom, radius of hydrogen atom, okay, and that is 0.53 exponent minus 10 in meters. It means we have the standard value. It is easy now to convert the prefix. Okay, we can see here that the first requirement is radius of hydrogen atom in centimeters. It means you first remember what is the value of centi. Okay, if you remember, the value of centi is exponent minus 2. Okay, now you have two methods to solve this thing. Okay, I'm starting the first method in the same page. First, you are required to convert meters to centimeter, where centi means exponent minus 2. Okay, you must remember the prefix table. When you are going from meter to centimeter, it means you are going from a bigger unit to a smaller one. In that case, you have to perform division. Okay, but you can also do this with the method of multiplication, but in that method you have to use exponent positive 2. See here, we have 0.53 exponent minus 10, and what we have to do, we have to convert it into a smaller unit, that is centimeter. So we will divide, that is exponent minus 2. Now, as you know that in mathematics we have a rule that if we have same bases in division, then the base will be written one time and their powers will subtracted. Okay, so x 0.53 exponent 10 will be written once, power minus 10 will remain at its place, and this minus 2 will come towards this minus 10, and according to rule we have to subtract it. Okay, but we can see the power that is coming from the denominator is already negative, so there are two minus sign. 0.53 exponent minus 10, then minus minus plus 2, and the final answer will be 0.53 and minus plus minus, so it will become 8, and the sign of the bigger digit, that is minus, so the answer will be 0.53 10 raised to the power minus 8 centimeters. Okay, now this is the answer in centimeter. Now the next conversion is to convert the same value in millimeters. Okay, for that purpose you must remember what is the value of milli. Okay, the value of milli is exponent minus 3. So again we will perform the division for converting the meters into millimeters. Okay, because we are again going from a bigger unit to a smaller one. So let us see how we are going to solve this thing. Okay, from meters to millimeters. For that purpose you need to remember what is the value of milli, that is exponent minus 3. So radius of hydrogen atoms in meters, what is in meters? 0.53 exponent minus 10, and you have to perform division because you are going from a bigger unit to a smaller one. So exponent minus 3 will be divided. Radius of hydrogen atom is equals to 0.53 exponent, again we can see 10 raised to the power and 10 raised to the power, both are present in the numerator and the denominator, so we will write it once. Exponent minus 10 will be written once, and the powers will be subtracted, that is exponent 10 raised to the power minus 10 will be subtracted from the denominator's powers. And what is the denominator's powers? It is already negative 3, so we have to minus sign. We have to solve this first. 0.53 exponent 10 raised to the power minus 10 minus minus plus 3, so the final answer will be 0.53 10 raised to the power, and this thing minus plus minus minus 7, so we have the answer in millimeters. I hope you have understand this question very well. Just keep that in your mind that whenever you are going from a bigger unit to a smaller one, you have to perform the division. But for the same purpose, you can go for another method, and in this method you can perform the multiplication as well. If you are not feeling comfortable with the division method, you can perform multiplication, but for that purpose you must remember what is the value of the prefixes. Okay, here I am going to explain the another method of multiplication. So the method, in the method of multiplication, another method, you can apply this method on any of the calculation, whether you want to apply it on meters, from meters to millimeters, or from meters to centimeters, or to nanometers, whatever is asked. Another method. In this method you can see we have the value in meters and we have to convert it in millimeters. The value of milli is exponent minus 3. Okay, but since you know that in mathematics when we shift anything, okay, when we shift anything from numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator, their sign will reverse. Okay, see this, I have 1 upon 8 power 1. If I shift this 8 in the numerator, the sign of 8 will be reversed and it will become minus 1. Okay, similarly in this question, when I am going to solve with the multiplication method, I have to write the value of radius of hydrogen atom, that is 0.53, and then 10 raised to the power minus 10. And in the multiplication method you will multiply the value with the positive one. Okay, since the value of milli is exponent minus 3, in multiplication method you will multiply it with positive 3. Okay, and the answer will be same. So radius of hydrogen atom is equals to 0.53 0.53 exponent minus 10. And according to the rules of the exponent, we know that when we have same bases, like this raised to the power 10 and this raised to the power 10 are same, so we will write 10 one time, and since the bases are multiplying, then the powers will add, so this will become positive 3, and the final answer will be minus plus minus 0.53 exponent minus 7 in millimeters. Okay, you can go for any of the method, but the thing is that you have to remember the value of the prefix for any of the method. Okay, if you are going with division method, you will use the prefix directly. The value of milli, the original value of milli is exponent minus 3. Okay, if you are going with division method, then you will use minus 3, and if you want to perform multiplication method, then you need to change the sign of the prefix. Okay, so I hope you have understand the question. Now you can solve the last requirement, that is meters to nanometers. The value of nano is exponent minus 9, and you can opt any of the method. You can perform division with -9 or multiplication with +9, power +9. Okay, so perform the question. I hope you have understand the question in this video.